Hello students, welcome to the third video of straight lines. In the second video of straight lines, we have derived these four forms. Okay, slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c, m is the slope and c is y-intercept. Intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, a is x-intercept and b is y-intercept. We have studied what are intercepts also in the second video. Okay, point slope form. Point and slope, which means one point and slope will be given to us. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is the slope, x1, y1 is the point. 2-point form. 2 points will be given to us. Okay. It is same as the previous one. In place of m, we are writing the formula for slope. M is the slope, right? So formula for slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. See, y minus y1 as it is equal to formula of slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Okay, we can write the 2-point form in this form also. Okay, now we have derived this. We did few problems based on these four concepts in the previous video, that is second part of straight lines. If you did not watch the second part of straight lines, I highly recommend you please go watch that video first, because it is very important in our straight lines chapter. Okay, coming back to this video, we have a question here. Find equation of straight line which makes the following angles with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, angles are given. See, if I draw the diagram for this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay, see, straight line is passing through 0, 0. So straight line is passing through 0, 0 and it is making angle pi by 4 with positive direction of x-axis. This angle is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degrees, right? Pi is 180. 180 divided by 4 will give us 45 degrees. So we need to find the equation of this straight line. We know from lower classes that equation of this straight line is y is equal to x or x is equal to y. Let us find out. Okay. Alright. So which form can we use? See, we have angle, so using angle we can find slope, and we have a point. Okay, we have angle, that means we have slope and we have point. We have slope, we have point and slope. Can we use point slope form? Yes, we can use point slope form to find the equation of the straight line. Can we use slope intercept form also? Y is equal to mx plus c? Yes, we can use y is equal to mx plus c also. We'll solve this first bit using first this y is equal to mx plus c and point slope form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, let us find out. First problem, tan pi by 4 is 45. So tan 45 is equal to 1, which means slope is 1. Okay, slope is 1 we got. Now this 0, 0 is x1, y1. We have point and we have slope. We can use point slope form. Let us use that. It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So this is y minus y1 is equal to 0 is equal to m is 1, x minus x1 is also 0. So this will be y minus 0 is y is equal to 1 into x is x, 1 into 0 is 0, or x minus 0 is 0, right? So we got y is equal to x or x is equal to y. Okay, this is the equation. Alright, we use point slope form. Can we use this y is equal to mx plus c? Yes, let us find out. Y is equal to mx plus c. So this is y is equal to, m value is 1, we got it. 1 multiplied by x plus c. Now we need to find the value of this c now. How can we find that? It is clearly given that this straight line is passing through 0, 0, which means x comma y is 0, 0. If we substitute this 0, 0 in this equation, it should satisfy. Okay, let us substitute. Y is how much? It is 0 is equal to 1 into x is x and x value is also 0. So plus c. So c value is equal to 0. Now after getting c value is equal to 0, we need to substitute it in here. Y is equal to 1 into x is x plus c. C is 0. So we'll have y is equal to x. See, y is equal to x, same equation, right? So we can either use y is equal to mx plus c like this, or we can directly use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, all right. Now, what about the second bit? See, I hope you understood how to solve this. Now, what about the second bit? Theta is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees, right? Alright, so we have tan 60. This is the second bit, right? Okay, tan 60. What is tan 60? It is equal to root 3. Okay, alright, which means m value is root 3 given. Okay, and what is x1, y1? x1, y1 is equal to 1, comma 2. Alright. See, now I am not using y is equal to mx plus c and y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I am not using the both, this one and this one. Okay. What we'll do is we'll use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. If you are interested, you please try this. Okay. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is y minus y1 is equal to 2 multiplied by root 3. M is root 3, x minus x1. x1 is equal to 1. So this is y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x is root 3x. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 with minus sign. If you send this y and 2 on the other side, see 0 will be equal to root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3. Okay. Or we can write this is equal to 0 this side also. So this is the equation. Root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. So see, it is of this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? A value is root 3, b value is minus 1, c value is this 2 minus root 3. Okay. Alright. So what about the third bit? What is the angle given? 135 degrees. Okay. Now, what is the value of tan 135? See, tan 135. This is the third bit. Tan 135 can be written as tan 90 plus 45. Okay. And this is equal to cot 45. Okay. But tan 135 is negative because see, this is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees, right? This is 270. Quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth quadrant. 135 will lie in the second quadrant, and we know in the second quadrant tan value is negative. Okay. So tan 135 will be negative. So this is minus 1. Okay. Value of m is minus 1 now. Okay. x1, y1 will be equal to 3, minus 2. So let me just rub this. So we can directly write tan 135 is minus 1. Okay. Now we have x1, y1 is equal to 3, minus 2. Let us use y minus y1. Point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is y minus y1. y1 is minus 2. So this will become plus 2, minus of minus. M is minus 1 multiplied by x minus x1 is equal to 3. Okay, so this is y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus 3. Let us send this minus x and 3 on the other side. So this will become x plus y plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope this is clear. Alright, now what about the fourth bit? See, let me rub this. Tan 150. Fourth bit, tan 150. Tan 150 can be written as tan 90 plus 60. Okay, this is cot 60 and 150 is in the second quadrant and tan will be negative in the second quadrant. Okay, so this will be equal to minus 1 by root 3 because cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Alright, we got the slope. M is minus 1 by root 3. and we have x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Let us substitute in slope intercept form. Y minus y1, sorry, point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, y1 is minus 1, so minus of minus 1 will become plus. This is 1 by minus 1 by root 3 x minus x1, x1 is minus 2, so this will be minus of minus will become plus. Root 3 you send this side, it will be root 3y plus root 3. We are multiplying root 3 with y and 1 is equal to minus 1 into x is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. If you send this x into this side, they will become positive x. We have x plus root 3y plus 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay. I hope this problem is clear. Okay, we'll do the other problems now. Okay. Find equations of straight lines passing through origin and making equal angles with coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. Okay. There are two cases. That's why he asked us to find equations of straight lines, plural, right? Okay. See, x-axis and y-axis, and the line is passing through origin. This is the origin, making equal angles with x-axis and y-axis. So we'll have one such line, right? See, this is 45 degrees, this will also be 45 degrees. Equal angle with x-axis and equal angle with y-axis. Alright? Okay, we need to find the equation of this straight line, which means, see, this angle will be equal to how much? 45 degrees. Okay, what will be the slope of that line? Tan 45 is 1. So slope will be equal to 1. And it is passing through origin. So 0, comma 0. We have slope and we have point. We have slope and we have point. We have slope, we have point. Point slope form. Right? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So this is y minus 0 is equal to m x minus 0. M is 1, right? So this is y is equal to 1 into x is x. So y is equal to x or x is equal to y. X is equal to y. Okay. Okay, this is one case. Now do you think only this line will be making equal angles with coordinate axis? No, see, there is one more line. Let us learn about that. X-axis, y-axis, right? This is the origin. See, this line will also make equal angles with coordinate axis. See, with y-axis it is making 45 degrees, with x-axis it is making 45 degrees. Okay? Alright. But what will be the slope of this line? What will be the slope of this line? Slope of this line is measured from x-axis anti-clockwise direction. So this whole part will be the slope. So this is 90 degrees, right? This is 90 and here 45. So 90 and 45. See, this is 90 and this is 45. So total will be 135 degrees. Okay. In the second case, tan 135 will come. So this is tan 135. Tan 135 is minus 1. In the previous problem we have did this, right? Tan 135 is minus 1. So now the slope is minus 1. Okay, let us write it here. Slope is minus 1 and the line is passing through origin again. Okay. So let us substitute minus 1, m is equal to minus 1 and x1, y1, 0, 0 in this. So y minus 0 is equal to minus 1, x minus 0. So we have y is equal to minus x. See, this is y minus 0 is y, minus 1 into x is minus x. So this is 0 1. So we can send y on the other side. We'll have x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Or we can write x is equal to minus y or y is equal to minus x also. Alright. So this was the solution for this problem. Let us solve this problem. Angles made by straight line with positive x-axis and y-intercept are given below. Find the equation of straight line. Okay. See, y-intercept is given to us. Alright. Like for example, if this is x-axis and this is y-axis, this is the straight line. This angle is given to us and y-intercepts are given. This is y-intercept, right? 0 comma B or 0 comma C. 0 comma B or 0 comma C. Alright. Y-intercept is given and the angle is given. So which form can we use to find the equation? Which form can we use? Do we have 2 points? No. Do we have point and slope? No. Intercept form? See, y-intercept is given but x-intercept is not known to us. Can we use this one? Y is equal to mx plus c. Slope. Can we find slope using angle? Yes. Intercept. Intercept is y-intercept. This c is y-intercept. Yes, we can use y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So let us do the first bit. We have tan 60 degrees. Okay. Tan 60 is root 3. So value of slope is root 3. M is equal to root 3. And y-intercept c. C is equal to 3. So directly substitute in y is equal to mx plus c. So this is y is equal to m value is root 3 and x plus 3. Okay. If you send this y on the other side, we'll have 0 root 3x minus y plus 3. We can write this 0 on the other side also, right? Like this. So this is the equation of the straight line. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let us do the second bit now. Let me rub this part. Alright. Second bit. 150. In the previous problem we have studied that tan 150 degrees is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay. See, tan 150 is tan 60, tan 90 plus 60. So this will be cot 60. Okay. Cot 60 degrees. But 150 will lie in the second quadrant and tan is negative in that. So this will be minus cot 60. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3 with minus sign minus 1 by root 3. So this is the slope now. M is minus 1 by root 3 and y-intercept is how much given? It is equal to 2 given. Okay. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is slope intercept form. We have slope and we have intercept. Let us substitute the values. Y is equal to m minus 1 by root 3 x plus 2. Okay. Now, see here we have root 3 in the denominator here. One easy method to eliminate this root 3 from the denominator is multiply both sides by root 3. Okay. So this will become root 3 multiplied by y. This will become root 3 and this will become root 3 here. Okay. So this is root 3 y is equal to root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. We'll have minus x plus 2 root 3. If we send these two terms on the other side, this side, minus x will become plus x and this will be root 3y and this is minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let me just check whether this is visible in the video or not. Yes, it is visible. Okay. So we did the second bit also. I'm leaving the third bit for you to do. Okay. So find the answer for this and please comment in the comment section. Let us do this. Tan inverse 2 by 3. See, theta is tan inverse 2 by 3 given. See, these are all theta values. Theta is equal to 60, theta is equal to 150, theta is equal to 45. Now theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 is given. This is inverse. Okay. So tan goes here, it becomes tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. So tan theta is slope. So slope is 2 by 3 given to us. Okay. Slope is 2 by 3 and the value of c is equal to how much? It is equal to 3. Substitute in y is equal to mx plus c. So we have y is equal to m value is 2 by 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay. So multiply both sides by 3 because we have 3 in the denominator. So this will be 3 into 2 into x divided by 3 plus 3 into 3. So this is 3x. 3 will get cancelled here. 2x plus 3 is a 9. So if you send this 3y on the other side, we'll have 2x minus 3y plus 9. We can also write 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let us solve the other problem. Okay, we have a problem here. Find equation of straight line passing through -4 comma 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on coordinate axis. Coordinate axes are x-axis and y-axis, right? So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, we need to find the equation of a straight line passing through -4 comma 5. See, -4 comma 5 will be this side. X value is negative, y value is positive. So it is like this. Straight line. Let us say this is -4 comma 5 and this intercepts are equal, cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts. Okay, we have studied that this is y-intercept, this is x-intercept, and given that these two are equal, okay, A is equal to B. Alright, okay, so see, x-intercept, y-intercept is given. Okay, so can we use intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. A is x-intercept, B is y-intercept. Okay, yes, we can use x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. I hope you understood the diagram. Okay, let us use x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. But what is given to us? Cutting off equal intercepts, which means A and B are equal. So let us substitute A in place of B, or we can substitute B in place of A also. It will give us the same answer. X by A plus y by A is equal to 1, because A and B are equal. So in place of B we are writing A. So denominators are different. Write it one time. So this will be x plus y is equal to 1. A goes on the other side. It will be x plus y is equal to A into 1 is A. Now how should we find the value of this A? See, it is clearly given that the line passes through -4 comma 5. So if we substitute -4 comma 5 in this, it will give us the value of A. So which means in place of x we should write -4 and in place of y we should write 5. So this is A. 1 will be equal to A. A value is equal to 1. So substitute that A value here. See, x plus y is equal to 1, or x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of a straight line. Alright, okay, we'll do few more problems based on x by A plus y by B is equal to 1 concept. Okay, we'll solve this problem. Find equation of straight line passing through -2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Pause the video and try to do this on your own. See, sum is 0, which means A plus B is equal to 0, right? Making non-zero intercepts. A plus B is equal to 0 and A is not 0, B is not 0. It is given that they are non-zero. Okay. So x by A, y by B is equal to 1 is the intercept form. But can we write the value of B as -A? So if you send A on the other side, B value will be -A. So this is x by A plus y by B value is -A is equal to 1. So plus into minus, this will become minus, right? Okay. We have x minus y divided by A is equal to 1. Denominators are same, write it one time. This A goes on the other side, becomes as x minus y is equal to A. How should we find the value of A now? Substitute -2 comma 4. Okay, substitute -2 comma 4 here. So this will be the value of x, this will be the value of y. So -2 minus 4 is equal to A. Okay. So A value is how much? -6. Now substitute this A is equal to -6 here. X minus y is equal to A. So x minus y is equal to -6, or x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. Okay, passing through -2 comma 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. Okay, find equation of straight line passing through 3 comma -4 and making x and y intercepts in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 means 2 by 3, right? So this is 2 by 3, and the ratios of x and y intercept. X intercept is A, y intercept is B. So A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. We should substitute these values in intercept form. We have x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is the intercept form. And the relationship between A and B is given here. It is 2 by 3. So let us find the value of B from here and substitute it. Okay. So if you cross multiply, 3A will be equal to 2B, and if you send 2 on the other side, B value will be equal to 3A divided by 2. We should substitute this value of B here. We can also find the value of A and substitute it here also. It will give us same answer. Okay, we found the value of B. Now this is x by A plus y divided by B value is 3A divided by 2. This divided by 2 will come here to the numerator, right? See, divided by 2 is equal to 1. This is division of division. So this y by 1 divided by 3A by 2. It is like this, right? Y by 1. So this y by 1 multiplied by 2 by 3A. So this will be 2y by 3A. Okay. So I am directly writing that 2 in the numerator now. So this is 2y divided by 3A is equal to 1. Okay. See what we can do? LCM of A and 3A is 3A. Or denominators are different, we can multiply the denominators and cross multiply these numbers. 3ax plus 2ya is equal to 1. We can take a common, it will be 3x plus 2y divided by a into 3a is equal to 1. A will get cancelled. What do we have? We have 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. Okay. Now how should we find the value of a? By substituting this value, it is clearly given that this equation passes through 3 comma minus 4, which means this point should satisfy this equation. Okay, 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. So where should I do? Let us do it here only. 3x value is how much? 3 plus 2 into y value is minus 4 is equal to 3a. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, this is minus 8 is equal to 3a. So 9 minus 1 is 9 minus 8 is 1. 3a, so 3 goes on the other side. A value is equal to how much? It is equal to 1 by 3. So we should substitute that a value is equal to 1 by 3 in this equation. Okay, so let us do it here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into a is how much? 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled, we'll have 1 here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1, or 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, we have an interesting problem here. Find equation of straight line which makes intercepts whose sum is 5 and product is 6. Okay, so sum is 5 and product is 6. Okay, so it is given that a plus b, the sum of the intercepts, see, this is x intercept, this is y intercept, sum is 5 and product a into b is 6. Now which two numbers will satisfy this condition? We can write a is equal to 3 and b is equal to, sorry, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, right? 2 into 3 will be 6. Or we can write 3 plus 2, this is also 5, and 3 into 2 will give us 6. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 is satisfying, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2 is also satisfying. Okay. If you are finding difficulty in guessing these numbers, what you can do is, you can use the identities, algebraic identities which we learned in the lower classes to solve this. Okay. Let me explain you. See, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now if we subtract this two, if we subtract, subtraction means signs will change it. So what will it become? It is a minus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Sorry, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. We are subtracting. This terms will get cancelled, a square minus a square, b square minus b square. Here we have 4ab. Okay, see what is the sum? Sum is 5 given. So this is 5. 5 square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4. Product is how much given? Product is 6. Okay. So this is 25 minus a minus b whole square is equal to 6 4 is 24. If you send this a minus b on the other side, it will become positive, right? So this is 24 plus a minus b whole square. This 24 goes on the other side, becomes minus. So we have a minus b whole square is equal to 1. Okay. So this square goes on the other side, becomes root 1. So root 1 plus minus square goes on the other side, becomes plus minus. So we have a minus b is equal to plus 1 and a minus b is equal to minus 1. Okay, plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, now with this information, see we got a plus b, sorry a minus b, we got a minus b as plus 1, this is one case, and a minus b is minus 1, this is one case, right? What is given to us? Sum is 5, that means a plus b is 5. If you simplify this, see a plus b is 5 given. Two cases are possible, right? Case 1 and case 2. If you add this, 2a will be equal to 6 and a will be equal to 2 goes on the other side, it will be equal to 3. If a is equal to 3, substitute a is equal to 3 in this, b value will be equal to 2. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, which means the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 can be written as x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. If we consider this second case, a minus b is equal to minus 1. See, if you add, this 2 will get cancelled. 2a will be equal to 4. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So a will be equal to 4 by 2. It will be equal to 2. If you substitute a is equal to 2 in either one of these equations, you will get b value as 3. Now, this x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 can be written as x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Okay. These are the equations, required equations. Okay. We have an interesting problem here. Find equation of straight line passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Okay, the line should pass through 4 comma minus 3 and the line should be perpendicular to the line passing through these points. Okay, what do we mean by this? See, let us draw the diagram. We have, let us say we have, this is 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. We have a straight line which is passing through these 2 points. Okay. We need not find the equation of this line. Okay. We should find the equation of straight line passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to this line. Okay. Perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points. So we need to find a straight line which is perpendicular to this straight line. Perpendicular means 90 degrees and this straight line is passing through 4 comma minus 3. This is just the rough diagram. Okay. It is like this. See, we have a straight line. We should not find the equation of this straight line. We should find the equation of this straight line, and this straight line is perpendicular to this line and passing through 4 comma minus 3. Okay. Which form can we use here? See, mind you, this is not the midpoint. Okay. See, which form can we use here? See, can we find the slope of this point? Slope of this straight line using 2 points? Yes. And in the first video we have studied the relationship between m1 and m2. See, if m1 is the slope of this line, that is slope of this line is m1 and the slope of this line is m2, we have studied that m1 multiplied by m2 will be equal to minus 1. In the first video of straight lines we have studied that. Okay. Product of the slopes will be equal to minus 1 provided the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Using that concept, we'll solve this problem. Okay. Let us first find the slope of these two lines, these 2 points. See, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. So if you take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, slope is m1, right? We took the slope of this line as m1. So m1 will be y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1. So this is 2 by 1 will be equal to 2. Okay. So slope of this line is 2. What will be the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line? Let us find out. See, m1 multiplied by m2 should be minus 1. This m1 is 2. m2 will be equal to how much? This 2 goes on the other side, it will divide. So m2 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, slope of this line now is minus 1 by 2. Now we have slope and we have point. Okay, see the forms, all 4 forms. We have slope, we have point. We have slope, we have point. Can we use this? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1? Yes, we can use that. We can also use slope intercept form also. Okay, we'll use this. Let me just rub this now. We have slope minus 1 by 2. Okay, so slope of the line now is minus 1 by 2 and it is passing through 4 comma minus 3. Okay, so this is x1 y1 now. This is the slope. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let us substitute the values. Y minus y1, it is minus of minus, m is minus 1 by 2 multiplied by x minus 4. 2 goes on the other side, it will multiply with 2y and 3. Okay, 2 into 3, 2 into y. And this is minus 1 into x, minus into minus plus 4. So this x and 4 goes on the other side, becomes plus x plus 2y plus 6 minus 4. So this will be x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Okay, we have a question here. Find equation of straight line passing through A minus 1 comma 3 parallel to the straight line passing through these 2 points. Okay, that is one question. And perpendicular to the straight line passing through these points. We have 2 bits in this, right? Okay, see, don't get confused here. Let us draw the diagram. Read the question carefully. We need to find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 1 comma 3 and parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Okay, see, let us take this as B and C here. B value is 2 comma minus 5 given and C value is 4 comma 6 given. Okay, let us say A is somewhere here. This is A and it is minus 1 comma 3. We need to find the equation of line passing through this and parallel to this. So let us draw a parallel line like this. Okay, can we find the slope of this straight line? 2 points are given. Can we find the slope of this straight line? Yes. And that slope will be the slope of this line also because the lines are parallel. In the first video we have studied that slope of 2 parallel lines will be equal. M1 will be equal to M2. If you take this as M1, this as M2, M1 and M2 will be equal. Slopes will be equal. So let us go ahead and find the slope of this straight line. If you take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, slope is y2 minus y1. So it is 6 minus of minus will become plus 4 minus 2. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11. This is 11 by 2. Okay, if this slope is 11 by 2, this slope will also be 11 by 2. Slope of this line will also be 11 by 2. Okay, now we have slope, we have point. We have slope, we have point. Point slope form. Okay, alright. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. See here, this is the point now. Don't consider this as x1 y1 or this as x1 y1. This is done. These two b and c are used to find the slope only. After finding the slope, just ignore that. Now we need to find the slope, or sorry, equation of this line. We have point, we have slope, so point slope form. So y minus, this is x1 y1, this is y1, right? It is 3 is equal to m is 11 by 2 multiplied by x minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 2 goes on the other side, 2y minus 6 is equal to 11x plus 11, 11 into 1, 11 into x, 11 into 1. So this 2y and x goes on the other side, this is 11x minus 2y plus 6 plus 11. Yes, so 0, 11x minus 2y plus 17, or this equal to 0, we can write it there. So this is the equation, first bit. Let us find the second bit now. Let me just rub this and explain you again. Okay. Now, see here, we need to find the equation of straight line passing through minus 1 comma 3, okay, and perpendicular to this. Suppose see, we have B here 2 comma minus 5 and C here 4 comma 6. We need to find the equation of a line passing through minus 1 comma 3, but this, let me write A minus 1 comma 3 here, passing through this point, but this line should be perpendicular to this. If we drop a perpendicular, see, these two will be perpendicular to each other, okay, like this. Now see, first we need to find the slope of this straight line using these 2 points. We will know the slope of perpendicular line, right? Let us find. Just now, what was the slope we got? It was 11 by 2, I think, right? Yes, 11 by 2. Okay. Slope of this perpendicular line will be reciprocal with minus sign, because see, if you take this as m1, this as m2, okay, m1 multiplied by m2 will be equal to minus 1. So m1 and m2 is minus 1 if you multiply. So m1 is 11 by 2 multiplied by m2 is minus 1. So this will go on the other side. 2 will go to the numerator and 11 will come to the denominator. So minus 2 by 11 is the slope of this line now. m2 is minus 2 by 11. Okay. Alright. Now we have slope and we have a point. We have slope, we have a point. Point slope form. Let us substitute. Okay. Minus 2 by 11 is the slope. Okay. So m is minus 2 by 11 and minus 1 comma 3 is the point. So this is x1 y1, this is the slope. Let us substitute it here. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 in this. Y minus y1 is equal to 3. M is minus 2 by 11, x minus x1. X minus of minus is plus 1. So 11y minus 33. We are multiplying 11 with y, 11 with 3. And this one is minus 2y, sorry, minus 2x minus 2. So let us bring x value and this 2 value this side. It will be 2y, 11y minus 33 plus 2 is equal to 0. This, sorry, 2x. 2x plus 11y minus 31 is equal to 0 is the equation, required equation. Okay. I hope you understood these 2 bits. Okay. Let us solve this problem. Show that the points are collinear. What are collinear points? Points which lie on the same straight line. Like for example, if this is a straight line, if 3 points are lying on this straight line, these 3 points are said to be collinear. A, B, C are said to be collinear. Okay. In first video of straight lines, we have solved a problem like this. Okay. Using the slope concept. We need to show that these points are collinear and we have 3 bits. Okay. Now, 3 points, we can show that 3 points are collinear in 4 different ways. What are those 4 different ways? Let us discuss. We can first find the area of the triangle. See, area of this using x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And if area is equal to 0, we can prove that these 3 points are collinear. This concept we have studied in the coordinate geometry of 10th standard. If area is 0, the points are collinear. Okay. Alright, what is the next concept? See, this is one way of proving that the points are collinear. The next one is using slopes. Okay, what we do is we'll find the slope of AB and we'll find the slope of BC. If the slope of AB and if the slope of BC is equal, we say the 3 points are collinear to each other. This concept we have studied in straight lines part 1 video. Okay, using slopes we can do that. See, slopes, we can say slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, like this. And what is the third method to prove this? We will find the distance between these 2 points using distance formula and distance between these 2 points. Okay, we'll find AB and we'll find BC and we'll find the distance between AC. So this AB and this BC should be equal to AC. This AB plus BC should be equal to AC. This method also we used in the coordinate geometry of 10th standard. Alright. There is one other important method which we will learn now. See, what we can do is we can take any 2 points. We can take these 2 points or these 2 points or this first and the third point and find the equation of straight line. Can we do that? Can we find equation of straight line using 2 points? Yes. 2 point form. We have 2 points, substitute, we'll get the equation of straight line. Okay. And then after getting the straight line, we should substitute the third point in that straight line. Okay, that third point should satisfy the equation. If it is satisfying, A, B, C are collinear. See, for example, let us say we took A and we took C and we got an equation. Okay, we took A and we took C and we got an equation. If we substitute B value, see, if B is lying on the straight line, it should satisfy, right? Okay. In that way, we can say A, B, C are collinear. Okay, that is the fourth method. Okay, we'll do the fourth method now. Okay, I dropped the question, right? Let me just check what is this. This is A plus B. A plus B. So what I'll do is I'll do this problem, you solve this problem, and I'll do the third bit. Okay. Alright. So what was the procedure? We should take any 2 points and find the equation of that line. Okay. Let us take this 2 points. Let us take 5, 5 and 10, 7. We can take minus 5, 1, 5, 5 or minus 5, 1, 10, 7. It is up to us. Out of the 3 given points, take any 2 points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute it here. Y minus y1 is equal to, let me just directly substitute. This is y minus y1 is equal to how much? 5 is equal to slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 5 divided by 10 minus 5. Okay. Okay. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. X minus 5. So this is y minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 and this is 5 and this is x minus 5. Now cross multiply. 5y minus 25 is equal to 2x minus 10. 5y, 25, 2x and 10. Okay. Send y, 5y and 25 on the other side will have 0 equal to 2x minus 5y plus 25 minus 10. So this is 0 is equal to 2x minus 5y plus 15. Okay. So this is the equation we got. Okay. What is the equation? 2x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0 is the equation. Alright, now we should substitute this point minus 5, 1 in this. Alright, if this point is satisfying this condition, then we can say that these 3 points are collinear to each other. Okay, let us substitute. Substitute minus 5, 1. So this is 2 into minus 5 into 1 plus 15, it should be equal to 0. So this is how much? Minus 10 minus 5 plus 15. See, minus 10 minus 5 is 15, 15 plus 15 is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 0. Yes, So the third point is satisfying this equation. Okay, which means these 3 points are collinear to each other. You can write, therefore these 3 points are collinear to each other. Why are we using this method? See, because he is asking us to find the equation of the straight line containing them. So if we use this method, we'll get the straight line also, and we will prove that these 3 points are collinear. Okay, in one go, that means in one form only, in one method only, we can find the equation of straight line containing these 3 points, as well as we will prove that these 3 points are collinear. Okay, alright. So you go ahead and try the second one. The points are collinear. Okay, because he told us to show that. So these points will be collinear. Okay, let me just rub this part also. And let me rub this part also now, because I think this problem will be a little lengthier. Okay, let us take any 2 points and find the equation. Alright, so let us do one thing. Let us take these 2 points and find the equation. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. We'll find the equation and then we'll substitute this value, this point in the equation. So y minus y1. Y1 is how much? B plus C. Be careful with the signs. Don't forget to substitute it in the brackets. Y minus Y1 is equal to Y2. This is C plus A minus Y1. Y1 is B plus C divided by X2. B minus X1 is A. So B minus A multiplied by X minus X1. X1 is A. Okay. This is y minus b minus c is equal to, if you take out the brackets, minus c, and this is b minus a, and this is x minus a. So c minus c plus c will become 0, right? Okay. See, let me write this point c, a plus b here, and let me rub this. We'll substitute this third point in this equation. So what are we left with now? Y minus b minus c, and this is a minus b divided by b minus a, and x minus a. See, if you take minus common, this will become minus this. See, it was a minus b. If you take minus common, it will be minus a plus b, or plus b minus a. So this 2 will get cancelled. We'll have minus 1, that is minus x minus a, and here y minus b minus c will be there. Okay. Alright. Now this is minus x plus a, and this is y minus b minus c. Let us bring these terms this side. So it will be x plus y minus a minus b minus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the straight line. Or you can write this equation as x plus y. You can take minus common and write this inside the bracket. This is one and the same. Now we need to substitute this value here. Okay, and check whether it is satisfying or not. If it is satisfying, yes, the points are collinear. Otherwise, they are not collinear. Okay, let us check. What is the value of x? This is x, this is y now. So x is c plus y is a plus b minus a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So see, this is a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus c only, right? All three will get cancelled. So we'll have 0 is equal to 0, which means the 3 given points were collinear to each other. And what is the equation? This is the equation. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Okay. This is the last problem in this video. See, A, B, C are the vertices of triangle. Okay. Find equations of, there are 4 bits. We need to find the equation of side AB, and median through A, altitude through B, and perpendicular bisector of side AB. Okay. Very interesting question. See, let us draw the diagram. A, B and C. Alright. So what is A? 10, 4, and B is minus 4, 9, and C is minus 2, minus 1. Whatever we have studied in this video and the previous video will apply in this problem. Okay. Okay. Now see here. First one is we need to find the equation of this line, this side AB, can we find? We have 2 points, 2-point form. Okay, so A value is 10 comma 4 and B value is minus 4 comma 9. We can take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2 and substitute it here. We'll get the equation of this side AB, right? First one will be done, so let us do that. So y minus y1, it is 4, is equal to slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Okay, x minus x1, so this is 10. Okay, so this is y minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by minus 14 x minus 10. So minus 14 goes on the other side, it will be minus 14y plus 56. Yes, plus 56 is equal to 5x minus 50. We multiplied 5 with x, 5 with 10. Okay, alright. So this 5x and 50 will come this side. Okay, or we can send this 14y on the other side. So this will become 5x plus 14y minus 56 minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be equal to 5x plus 14y minus 106. Okay, minus 106 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this line AB. Okay, let me rub this. Let us do the second bit. Okay, alright, shoot, I have rubbed the diagram also, right? No issues. Let us draw the diagram again. A, B and C. So see, median through A. What is median? See, B is minus 4 comma 9 and C is minus 2 comma minus 1 and A value is 10 comma 4. Median through A. Median through A means we need to find the midpoint of BC first. Let the midpoint be some D. We need to find the midpoint of BC. And if we join the midpoint of this side with the opposite vertex, midpoint of midpoint of BC, that is D, if we join D with A, this AD is called as the median. Okay, so we need to find the equation of this AD now. So can we find the midpoint of BC using this formula from the 10th standard? X1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, this is the midpoint, right? So if you take this as x1 y1, see x1 y1 x2 y2, D value will be equal to x1 minus x2. So minus 4, sorry, x1 plus x2, minus 4 minus 2, minus 6 by 2, y1 9 minus 1. So this will be 8 by 2. So this is minus 3 comma 4. So this is minus 3 comma 4 now. Okay. We need to find the equation of AD, which means we can use 2-point form because A is 1 point, D is 1 point. We have 2 points. Can we find the equation of AD? Yes, we can find the equation of AD. So I am leaving that for you. Median through A. Okay. I have explained you the concept. A is there, point A and point D is there. So we have 2 points. If you take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute those values here, you will get the equation of AD. Okay. Alright. Now the third bit is altitude through B. Okay, altitude through B. So if you take this triangle ABC again, altitude means perpendicular. So if you drop a perpendicular, this is 90, this is 90 now. Okay, what is the value of A? 10 comma 4, B value is, sorry, C is minus 2 comma minus 1 and this is minus 4 comma 9. Okay, see, altitude through A, altitude means perpendicular through, sorry, altitude through B, perpendicular through B. Okay, we need to find the equation of this. How should we do that? Can we find the slope of AC? Yes. After finding the slope of AC, we can find the slope of this line. because AC and this line are perpendicular to each other, right? So let us find the slope. Slope of M of AC, that is slope of AC, is y2 minus y1. If you take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, y2 minus y1, so that is minus 1 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is minus 5 by minus 12, it will be 5 by 12. We know the slope of perpendicular will be reciprocal with minus sign, right? So slope of this perpendicular will be equal to minus 12 by 5. Now we have a point and we have slope. We have a point and we have slope. Okay. See here, we have a point and we have slope. Point slope form. Can we use this? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here this is x1 y1 because we need to find altitude through b and the slope is minus 12 by 5. So let us substitute y minus 9 is equal to minus 12 by 5 multiplied by x minus of minus 4 plus 4. So this will go on the other side. 5y minus 45 is equal to minus 12x plus into minus minus 48. So 12 and 48 let us send on the other side. It will be plus 12x plus 12y minus 45 plus 48 is equal to 0. So this will be 12x plus 45 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So we are done with this also. I hope this is clear. 12x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Alright, let me rub this. Let us do the fourth bit. Alright. Perpendicular bisector of side AB. Let us draw the diagram again. A, B, C. Value of A is 10, 4, value of B is minus 4, 9 and C is minus 2, minus 1. Perpendicular bisector. What is perpendicular bisector? See, it should be perpendicular to AB and it should bisect. Bisect means divide it into two equal parts, right? So, we need to find the midpoint of AB first. Let us say the midpoint of AB is 1, M. And it should also be perpendicular to AB. So first let us find the midpoint using midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So M will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is equal to how much? 6 by 2 is equal to 3 and here we'll have 13 by 2. Okay. So the midpoint is 3, 13 by 2. Okay, midpoint. Okay. What else should we do now? See, to find this equation, we need a point. So we have a point. We need slope. How should we find the slope of this perpendicular bisector? We need to find the slope of AB and minus reciprocal. Okay, let us find the slope of this. Slope of AB, M of AB is equal to y2 minus y1. So 4 minus 9 divided by x2 minus x1. 10 minus of minus will become plus. So it is 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 minus 5 minus 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So slope of this perpendicular bisector will be reciprocal and signs will be different. So it is minus, so this will be plus. Okay, now we have slope, we have a point. We have slope, we have point. Point slope form. We can use point slope form, right? Okay. So let us use point slope form now. Let me just rub this also. We have y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is y. x1 y1 is this x1 y1. So y1 is 13 by 2 is equal to m 14 by 5 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay, let us multiply 5y minus 5 into 13 divided by 2. It is 65 by 2 is equal to 14x minus 14 3s are 12 42. So this is 42. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now see, we can multiply both sides by 2. So this will become 2 into 5i. This will be 65 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 14 into 2x minus 42 into 2. Okay, we don't need the formulas anymore, right? So this is 10y, 2 will get cancelled, 65 is equal to 28x minus 84. So send this 10y and 65 on the other side. So let me write it here. 28x minus 10y, okay, plus 65 minus 84 is equal to 0. So we have 28x minus 10y and this will be equal to 19. Yes, minus 19 is equal to 0. 84 and 65, 14 and 9, and this will be 7, 19. Okay, so this is the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, I hope the video was clear. Please watch this video. Wait for my next video. In the next video, I will be explaining you about 2 more forms. Normal form and symmetric form. Very, very important concept. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.